Yeah, good morning guys. First fish of the day. Of course it's a little dink. Let's get this video started. Fishing Lake Buckhorn today. Yeah, I've been on and off the jerkbait right now too. It's either the jerkbait or like you see here how it has the rocks and then it comes to a weed wall.
Yeah.
I usually like throwing jerkbaits or crankbaits there.
Yeah.
Come on. It's fighting pretty good. Got him on the square bill. It's not that big. A little smallie on the jabberjaw. It's that crankbait from 13 Fishing, which is like a hybrid between a square bill and a chatterbait, so they say. I'll show you guys here in a second. It's a square bill. It has a metal lip that moves side to side to make noise like a chatterbait. So yeah, that's what I got him on. Let's keep on fishing it. Oh man! Yes! Haha! Woo! Whew! I just got bitten off by a muskie. So I put a swim bait on my heavy rod. Got this nice 16-inch largie. Let's go. Love fishing the slump. We were having a hard time locating fish. We found this bay with weeds and scattered rocks, so I decided to put on a Texas rig worm and just drag it slowly, painfully slow, but it worked. That's what we wanted. So very simple yet effective setup. I got my reel tied with the Tula SV spool with 40-pound braid. That I put it onto a 50-pound fluorocarbon leader. And over here, what I have is a nice tungsten 1/8 ounce bullet weight, and that is unpegged. To that I have a little glass bead and a 4/0 EWG hook, and here I have a Strike King cutter worm, and that's what I'm casting onto the rocks right now. I'm kind of dragging it slowly. That's how we got that one fish. Let's see if we can get some more. Have something similar.
Oh, I'm marking all kinds over here.
Yeah, there's a. I don't know if they're goby. Oh, I got a bite.
That doesn't look like a goby.
No, I don't feel him anymore. Oh, he's still on. Oh, it's a bass. There's a bass in there.
Yeah, I told you, got it.
It's heavy.
That was one of mine today. Pulled out the clump of weeds and there's a bass in it.
Look, that's why I love owner hooks.
Oh yeah.
Little 15-incher.
He's alright.
It'll do.
It'll do.
On a tough day like today, I'll take these all day long. You got me stuck in the weeds. Thought I lost him for a second. Double up? Is that a double up? Yeah. There we go. No, he's dogging me. Come on. Dragging the worm. Here's my fish. Not even big. And we end the day with this one. This is it for today. Nice belly on him. We're heading home. A lot of small fish today. Almost repeat from like pigeon. But I had fun. Good time with friends. That's all that matters, right? We had a good time. Caught a lot of fish. And we're heading home. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks for tuning into the video. If you like what you see, consider subscribing. Cheers, guys. Huh? I did.